Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a really simple experiment I want to do. Probably seems a lot like a lot of the other experiments I've done. It's basically a swipe. Only this time I'm going to still try and move some paint. I want to start with a thin layer and put a puddle in the middle and put my paint colors on it. And I want to pretend that I might get away with something that's a little bit different as a result, but I don't know. And I'll do something with whatever I've got, no matter what. So my color choices are going to be the turquoise folk art flash, the purple flash from folk art, and the green gold, also a color shift. They're all color shifts from folk art. So I'm going to do, this is my Meeden paint. And I might still use the Amsterdam black. That has pre-stained wood conditioner in it. I may have more paint than I need this time, but that is part of this process of discovery. So I have a little silicone mat from the dollar store. I'm going to try and use my Amsterdam, oh that's cool. I like the dendrite, well big fat chunky whatever they are. Alright, there's a substantial amount in my opinion of the black, Amsterdam black. And it's going to dry nicely, I can tell on my swipe sheet. I'm just going to do the same exact thing again. Now I might have had a little too much black in the middle is what it looks like. But my idea, and it's weird that it's green on one side and purple on the other. My idea is to treat this just like a bloom. But I want that turquoise to stay, and there's no way that's happening. Let me let some of this slide away, and then I'll save it. On my silicone sheet. I kind of wasn't expecting it to work this well. And the cells may break up, that might be the problem. Who knows? And I probably could have used some of my Venetian blue and it would have made it a little more interesting. But there is always the possibility I could add some colors and then use my little swipe tool and see what happens. I have paint on my fingers and it's got to go away. So that's kind of interesting. My idea is to go ahead and grab I want something dark. I've got dioxazine purple. It's just that doesn't seem like the right color to me somehow right now. This green is kind of neat. I have a darker turquoise. Maybe there's the Venetian blue. That's really what I want. Unfortunately, it's plugged. My new tools that I made up, these plastic tools, have, when I keep the pointy end of the skewer intact, they're sort of instant tip cleaners if I'm lucky. Although I don't seem to be feeling very lucky at the moment since I'm dripping paint all over my hands. Unusually so. Alright, so I'm going to take that tool, a little round one, and see what happens. When I swipe through, it's kind of cool. Yeah, I kind of like that. I thought I was going to add another color, but I think I changed my mind. Okay, so that's kind of simple. Get my paint out of here. I've still got cells coming up. I'm going to torch. I don't know if that I'd call that a success or not. It's not a fail. I've got lots of pretty cells. I usually like to use more colors than that. I think my puddle was plenty big enough and could have been a lot smaller. Oh, I'm getting all kinds of weird little tiny cells. Whoa. I'm also making my paint smoke. Which I should probably not do. Alright, so that's an experiment. I'm not entirely sure what I learned. I'm going to bring it back to where y'all can see it. And try and make it focus. So there are all kinds of great little cells. It's not the most fabulous composition, but it looks a whole lot better in person than it does through the monitor. I love you guys. There's over 93,000 of you. Thank you for the comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. If you'd like to be in the monthly drawing, please check the end screen video in the last 20 seconds, and you can see the prizes included at the beginning of that exhibition video. And if you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, you'll be automatically entered. My Amazon link is on the link tree, which is the first blue link underneath the video. If you shop there, you help me out. My 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, and lots of other cool stuff. And anything you want to buy on Amazon, if you start there, you help me out. I have Facebook groups on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of the wet and dry artworks. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes More has links to my Fine Art America and Pixels.com and shows a bunch of products that my stuff is on. 1,400 products if you go to Fine Art America, Pixels.com. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is a student group, and you are more than welcome to join us, ask questions, share your work, see what other people are sharing. My email address, should you be interested in purchasing an artwork, is below the video underneath the link tree when you click show more, and that's also where my paint pouring recipe is and my cell activator recipe is. And if you would like to contact me regarding a painting, I need the hashtag file number from the title of the video. If you like what I do, or if you're just feeling generous, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate you guys sharing my videos when you can, and watching longer is really the only thing the algorithm YouTube understands. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you, please. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. I hope you come again. I post 10 videos a week, 7 days a week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, as I may have said a moment ago. I love you much. I hope you come again. I'll talk to you anon. Bye for now. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla. Out. See ya.